Continuing coverage of our top story tonight out of D.C., where the Supreme Court has announced it will not intervene in a law that will ban TikTok in just a matter of days. The unanimous decision announced this morning cited national security concerns. It read in part that Congress determined that TikTok's parent company needed to sell the American arm of the app to address fears over its data collection practices and relationship with China. The Biden administration says it won't enforce the ban, and President-elect Trump has said he wants to find a way to keep the app up and running, something an attorney for one of TikTok's content creators says would prevent harm to its 170 million users.
So whether you're an ordinary American citizen, or I might add, whether you're a presidential candidate in our last election, if you want to reach new and different audiences, TikTok is the place people go.
And the ban is hitting home. Among those users and creators, there's a Lynchburg man who has amassed quite a following on the popular video sharing platform. WFXR's Sam Graham joins us live in studio after catching up with the man. And Sam, how's he taking the news and what does he plan to do next?
Well, good evening, Ron. Chad Evans, that's his name, has been slowly amassing a TikTok following for the last 4 years and just recently eclipsed 1.4 million followers on the app. The 53-year-old creator mainly posts short dance videos, which frequently see north of 5 million views. Now, his most popular video from back in 2021 has received over 27 million views. And for Chad, the platform is a fun way to find new ideas and meet new people. He told me a ban would not greatly impact his financial status, but he feels for the people he knows who will be hit harder than him.
I feel for the folks that rely on this as their sole income. I do. I feel for those, and I'm sure they've been panicking.
And while he's not giving up hope for the app just yet, he knows TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, is unlikely to sell. If the app does go down, Chad said he won't try to recreate his following on another platform. But he knows that many of his fellow creators will turn to places like Instagram or the emerging Red Note to try and salvage their following. And with so much gray area surrounding what could happen in the coming days and weeks, I'll be back tonight on First at 10 to try and make sense of it all with the help of Virginia Tech's Dr. Casey Myers, the Communication Department's Director of Graduate Studies. In studio, I'm Sam Graham. Back to you, Ron.
Thank you, Sam. Now, with efforts to save the app going on at multiple levels, the situation is pretty flexible. You can keep up with the very latest on the TikTok ban by following the story on our website, WFXRTV.com.